yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I put him in a trance. I'm in my yak, I'm on that yak.
Okay, I'm jumping right into this video. I will begin by priming my eyes with my NYX eyeshadow primer in the color Skin Tone. Now I will be using my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and I will be inserting images on what colors I am currently using on my lids and in my crease. Now I have my LA Girls Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and I will be using that to cut my creases. Okay, so see right here, I'm going under with it, cutting the crease. Don't do that. No ma'am. I was trying to be cute, trying to see if I could, make a donut on my eye, but I was like, you know what? That's going to be for another day, sis. So let's go ahead and continue with the regular formula. Now I'm using my Miss Ace Beauty Sponge to pat out my concealer. Here I'm using my Impress You palette by Beauty Glaze. My mom got me this palette from Amazon and she got a glitch code for it, so this palette was about $387, I believe. Yeah, $387. And for $387, I really think the color is doing its job. It really is. It really is. Okay, this is a major key alert. My Arty Party face paint is what pulls all my looks together. So right now I'm using the magenta on my lid with the pink to define the cut crease. Okay, now I'm using the blue to do the same thing on the other eye. To give this look a little bit of pop, I will be using my glitter liners over the magenta and blue line that I created. To add my wings, I will be using my e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. For foundation, I will be using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Liquid Makeup in the shade 8.75. And I'll be going in with my same beauty sponge to pat out the foundation that's all over my face. I don't like wearing too much foundation. I really don't like foundation at all, but I only did it to do this video. Here I'm using my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the color medium on my highlight points. To contour, I'll be using my BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe. Now I'm using my fluffy Christian Siriano brush to dust off all of that powder I was using to highlight. Okay, this is where I start getting creative. I am using my LA Girls Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I will be using this concealer to make my donuts on my face. And yes, I do have a donut covering my ears because, baby, the cap was coming off, okay? So here I am showing that I did the base of the donuts on my face. I will be going in with the face paint to create the glaze. Now when you're creating the glaze, it's not really that hard. All you're doing is making waves. Just think of it as making waves. long waves, short waves. You're just making waves. So right here I am making an arc for the center of my donut, so that way once I start filling it in, I know where not to go. Now I'm going in with my black face paint to give my donut more dimension on my face.
Hey, what is that?
Now I will be going in with my Miss A's blush. I don't recall it having a name, but it doesn't need a name if it was only $1. I'm just saying. So right here I will be using the other face paints that I have to create the sprinkles on my eyelids and across my nose. This has to be my favorite part out of any makeup look is putting on lashes. I love me some lashes. I love lashes. Okay, now here I am lining my lips with a brown lip liner. You can use a lip liner, you can use eyeliner, just as long as it's a pencil and you're able to manage where you want it to go. And finally, I am putting on a clear gloss from LA Colors. Okay, y'all, that is it for this look. I think I did pretty decent, you know. You know, I'm still cute either way, so be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, okay? And I shall see you guys later.